Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking the clip. Open and close it a few times to confirm smooth motion and no debris. Make sure you know where on your earlobe you want the earring to sit. Placement affects comfort and appearance. Once done, clean the clip and lobe with a wipe to remove oils. Hold the mirror at eye level and position the earring so the hinge faces down. This gives the most natural hang and helps you control pressure as you bring the clip toward the lobe. You now align the hinge with the thinnest edge of your earlobe because that reduces pinching and keeps the earring stable. Bring the two halves together slowly, watching the mirror and feeling for even pressure. Stop if it digs in. Once closed, wiggle the earring slightly to ensure it grips without slipping. This tests tension. If the face tilts, reopen and rotate the clip a few degrees before reclamping so the decorative front sits flat and centered, which improves both look and comfort. You finish by wearing the earring for 5 minutes and checking comfort. If it pinches, gently open, reposition, and close again. Small changes matter. For persistent tightness or looseness, use smooth-jawed pliers over a cloth to slightly bend the clip inward or outward. Do it in tiny steps. Make sure both ears match visually. Troubleshooting tip: if the clip squeaks or sticks, clean the hinge with alcohol and apply a single
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.